Thought you'd seen everything in the latest GarageBand for iOS updates? Well, think again. With the Touch and Smart Drums both getting a facelift in the latest GarageBand update, I figured what better time to dive into these alternative rhythm options and discover what makes them tick. Hey, I'm Patrick and welcome to the GarageBand Guide, where we're all about helping you master GarageBand and improving your music, with tips, tricks, gear reviews and in-depth tutorials to help you get to grips with GarageBand. Tutorials like this. Here we are in GarageBand for iOS's Smart Drums interface. To get here, go to the instrument menu and you'll find it as the first selection under the drums option. On the left here is a power button which turns your pattern on or off. Tapping here opens the kit menu, where you can choose from 6 different drum kits, and it's worth noting that each option has different parts of its kit available to add to your beat. The dice icon down the bottom here will create a random beat using the currently selected drum kit. This is great if you just want to get a feel for a specific kit. And hitting reset at the bottom will take all of the drums off of the grid. The big old grid in the middle here is where all the action happens. The Smart Drum Grid bears a striking resemblance to the XY pad found in the drummer feature, and it works in kind of the same way. If I drag this kick drum into the top left corner, it'll start playing a pattern that is both simple and loud. If I drag it to the bottom right corner, it will play a pattern that is both complex and quiet. If I stick it slap bang in the middle, the kick will play a pattern that is kind of a mix of everything. In fact, any part of your selected kit will play a different pattern in each of the boxes in this grid. It's an 8x8 grid, so there are 64 unique patterns for each drum. This house drum machine has 10 different pieces of kit that you can add, which adds up to a lot of different possible combinations. So I can drag my kick in here, add a snare, hi-hats, claps, and a wee bit of bongo action here too. You can even stack sounds on top of each other in the same square if you like. When you've created a groove that you love, just hit record and your pattern will be added to your project. Very cool, but would you ever choose to use the Smart Drums over other rhythm options in GarageBand like the beat sequencer or the drummer? Probably not. And you might be wondering why this feature is even in here at all with those other superior options available. Well, back when GarageBand for iOS first came out, there was no drummer feature. There was no beat sequencer. You had this, the touch drums, and that was it. As the app grew, better rhythm options were added, but I think it's a good thing that Apple hasn't removed these smart drums, as they are a good, quick and easy way to add a unique rhythm track to your projects. The touch drums also got a facelift in the latest GarageBand for iOS update, specifically the electronic and percussion options. Again, Apple have dropped the old style skeuomorphic design of the previous version in favour of these cleaner, two-dimensional icons. They work in exactly the same way as previously. Each pad will trigger when you touch it, and your iDevice's gyroscope emulates the effect of a velocity-sensitive interface, meaning the harder you hit, the louder the sample. There are a huge number of kits to choose from, and they all have kit-specific effect parameters that you can tweak across the top. A sneaky wee pro tip here, you can add more sounds from each kit than GarageBand offers on screen by hooking up a MIDI keyboard to your iDevice. GarageBand for iOS isn't short of beat creation tools, so it's great to see Apple show these lesser used options some love in the form of a fresh new lick of paint. If you're just getting started with mobile music making on your iPad or iPhone, then give this playlist a click. In it I share all the info you need to hit the ground running. Take care of yourself, I'll see you next time, bye for now.